Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world. So right now, we're gonna cook again sinigang na tahong. So here in San Francisco, California in my cousin's house. So I'm the chef here. So I'm the boss in the kitchen right now. So of course, for sinigang, we're gonna need ginger, onions, and garlic. And before that, we're gonna use a salad master, EOC skillet, electric oil skillet. So it's clean, guys. So we're gonna put here tomatoes. I heat up already, guys, the EOC. That's why you heard that it's like simmering. So, and of course, we're gonna need a tahong, the main ingredients. So here we go. We're gonna add so here is the mussel. We're gonna add a chili pepper, 3, because my cousin, she love it. She like to eat it. And of course, we're gonna add the pichay. Mag-umbaw ini. And the sweet potato leaves. Ayan. And also the okra. Ayan, lagyan natin siya dyan. So, tambak-tambak system, guys. Yan, and kailangan natin i-close ang lid, of course. Close the lid. And let it boil. Ayan, punong-puno, guys. So, bababa naman yan kapag kumukulo na. So, yan lang natin siya. Mamaya, maglalapat na yan kapag medyo kumulo na. Para pa, guys, So, this lemon, we're gonna add it when it's cooked already. And of course, we're gonna add a little bit salt. Yeah, that's it. And program for 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It is medium heat because it's Fahrenheit. And then, we have to salpak. Ayan, salpak na natin. Ayan. Ayan na, guys. Nakasalpak na siya. So, we're just gonna wait until it's cooked. And it's gonna be flat in here. It's clicking already. So, now it's flattened already because we put this. Mabigat kasi ito. So, it's heavy. So, yan. We're gonna wait like maybe 2 minutes. Then, we're gonna open it if it's cooked already. But for sure, it's clicking already for a few minutes. So, maybe, yeah, few seconds. So, see guys, so, it's boiling. Yan na, yung sabaw niya, We didn't add any water, but now, meron na siyang sabaw. Ayan, Try to open it. We're gonna turn it off because it's cooked already. It is stop clicking. So, there you go. Wow, nice. Half cooked. Ayan, luto natin, Franz. Yan na ang ating udang na walang tubig na nagkasabaw. Ayan, without lemon. Ang ganda lemon. Sarap. Grabe. Kahit wala pang lemon, ang sarap na. Halika, tikman mo. Hindi pa. Halika, tikman mo. Ang sarap. Ayan, without lemon. Ang ganda lemon. Let's add a lemon para maasim-asim siya ng konti. Yan. So, yan. Ganyan, guys. So, pwede mo na yung haluin. Ngayon na, luto na. So, kanina, hindi pa natin yung pwedeng halu-haluin kasi kailangan kasi, guys, ma-preserve natin yung kanyang nutrients. Kaya hindi natin yan hinahalo habang niluluto. Hahaluin mo lang yan kapag luto na. At ayan, naka-turn off na siya. Tinurn off na natin. So, 15 minutes lang siya, guys, na naluto. Kasi frozen yung tahong. Ayan na, Yan. Halika na, kain na. Ayan. So ito, kasi magluluto ako ng ginataang ampalaya, itatransfer natin siya sa stainless steel na cookware.